Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Steven Chuka, and in this video I want to show you how you can deposit to the Roqqu app without using your Raven wallet. So it's not necessary you must have to use your Raven wallet to open your Roqqu app. I got this message from my YouTube channel. Please, I want to ask you how you can deposit money to Roqqu apart from Raven Bank without depositing money from Kuda Bank to Roqqu. If Raven has refused to verify me, I need a bank apart from Raven, and so on. So I just have to make this video quick to make you know that you don't always have to use Raven to deposit to Roqqu. Just come over to Roqqu and you click on deposit here. Okay, let me show you my account balance before depositing the money. This is 76. So I just want to deposit, maybe let me just deposit 1,000 as an example. I want to deposit the sum of 1,000 naira. Continue. That's $0.6. I'll click on bank transfer. It's going through. So now this is an important notice. To proceed further, you have to copy your narration. That's what you are saying about. This narration below is very important, just in case there is any issue. You can use your narration to track your transaction and to resolve it. So make sure you copy your narration and you paste it somewhere. Like me, if I copy my narration, I can just go over to my note and paste it. Then I go back to Roqqu and copy the account number. Then the name of the bank is Besta MFB. I'm going to transfer money to this bank account they gave me. So I just head over to wherever I have cash, whatever bank apart from Raven. Any bank I have money from, I will just go over to the app. And this is my OP account. So I just go over to OP and I will enter the account details and I will enter the bank name. Then I'll proceed. Then I will just enter that same amount I entered on Roqqu. Now for a mark below here, this is where you put your narration, just in case you have a copy the narration again. Okay, sometimes I just copy in case of the app closes. That's why I copy the narration outside. So I just have to come here and paste it, and we are good to go. Now after I paste the narration, I'll click on confirm and I'll click on send. I'll enter my balance, enter my password rather, and to send the money to my OP. Transaction complete, successful. So by now I'm expecting to have received look at 1,000 naira deposit successfully. Your deposit has been successfully applied to your account. So now if I go over to my Roqqu app, let me open my app. So if I go back to my Roqqu app, refresh it if you have not refreshed it. Look at the 1,000 naira has topped up on my account. And another thing you need to know is that whenever you're not sure if the monies have landed, you can always go to your transaction history over here, just at the dashboard. You click on history, you refresh it also to see your last transaction. When I've not shown, I've refreshed. Okay, this is my last transaction of deposit of 1,000 naira to my account. Then I have to come back over here. Now that's how to transfer with any account you want. You can also change your Roqqu distance to USDT, US dollars, or euros, or whatever you want. But I prefer using Naira for teachings because I based in Nigeria and I teach from Nigeria. Nigeria. So I also have a WhatsApp group where I teach people more about cryptocurrencies and share updates on cryptocurrencies. And if you want to download Roqqu, follow my link below and join my WhatsApp group, Telegram, and follow up on my updates. So whenever I have any issues concerning Roqqu or any app like this, you just message me and I will deliver. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on my next video.